Welcome back
to Metal Chopping Block.
Oh yeah.
Metal Chopping Block. On this episode, vegan. Just like me, no meat.
I think so. Chili, bread, and what else was there?
We're hoping brownies.
Brownie.
Vegan.
Oh, vegan brownies,
Yeah.
not those special kind.
Nothing special.
Welcome back to Metal Chopping Block. We're with Cynthia, Nick's sister-in-law.
Hey.
So what are we making today? So first of all,
Ooh.
we're gonna go all vegan today. So, and the way you explained it, there's no animal product at all. in
Yeah,
anything we're doing
we're not
today,
using
correct?
animal products. I've had to modify a couple of recipes, but yeah, so we're going outside your comfort zone and yours too, from what I've seen.
So
Well, as long as it tastes good, I'm good with it.
me and Sam are gonna be the only real animal products on this dish.
So with that being said,
Well done.
Sempre duro,
Sempre bagnato.
up the irons.
So we're just gonna bring this down to about a medium heat and let that saute for a bit. And put the cover on. Wait.
So I'm just going to chop this up now into relatively small pieces. I'm using one pepper in this recipe. You could easily add more. It'd be really pretty if you did a yellow, orange, and red. No dogs will be put in the chili. Again, we're keeping this vegan. This is my little hound, Kramer, who loves Nick like there's no tomorrow. He'd like to move in with Nick. But you're not making chili with us.
All right, let me chop. So what's with the nuts?
Okay, so vegan chili, right? Meaning there's no meat products. And we're not trying to pretend that there is, but we want to have some sort of depth to the chili, like a hardiness, and it comes from nuts. And we're going to grind these so that just before they become a nut butter, where it's really crumbly, and add those to our chili once.
So you want them kind of coarse, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so that it basically gives it the impression that you get like with ground beef or ground pork, you get that kind of texture.
It's similar to it. Like it's definitely not. You won't go, oh, is there meat in here? But for me, I don't miss that there's no meat in it, and I like this better because it's now less like a stew as well as the chili.
Excellent. I gotta say though, this is starting to smell freaking awesome. It's smoked sandy.
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, next step.
vegetarian chili, just a few side notes here. I don't rinse my beans, especially my kidney beans, whatever that stuff is. I think it's good to thicken it. So then I added some water, about a half a can of water, to get all the nice good parts out of the bottom. Chickpeas I'm adding today. I don't always, but you could put them in. I like a chili with a kidney bean as well. But the chickpea water, Nick, did you know, can be used for tons of things. It's actually called aquafaba.
I've heard of aquafaba, but I have no idea what it is.
Well, aqua water, fava bean, right? So this water, a lot of vegetarians and vegans will use as, it's almost like a egg white replacement. So if you, what do you call that?
Also, when you separate your yolk from your egg white.
Yeah, and then you can make like a meringue out of it. You can make vegan desserts out of it without having any egg. It's just from the water of the chicken.
So you save the water, or set it to
Like
the side?
set it to the side to make that. I put it in my chili.
Oh, okay. So that works like an egg white. I never. That's something to learn. A cup and a quarter of mixed nuts. We're gonna put it in a blender. What's next?
I'm gonna add this into the chili, give it a little stir, and then in a few minutes taste test. I'm also gonna add an ancho chili in.
An ancho chili.
Yeah. So it's an ancho chili. It's a dried pepper. I actually don't even know if it's spicy. My husband puts it in his.
Smells it.
So it means I put it in mine.
So you put it in full?
Yeah, and you just let it, it's like almost like using a bay leaf, right? We're not gonna cut it up, we're not gonna eat it, you just give it,
Just
it just
in there
sits
for
there, so
flavor.
it, yeah, it's gonna be basically.
So Marchelo, my brother-in-law, Cynthia's husband, made this wonderful hot sauce with ghost peppers
Those peppers.
and whatever else. So I'm gonna give it a little taste, very little, because I'm a little bit of I'll try you try with me.
How much is little? I
I don't know,
know.
because I don't know how hot this is, but I know the monkey sauce, if I did this much, I'd be dead. Ready? Cheers, sempre duro.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Holy crap!
Oh, holy smokes! Woo, that's hot.
That's fire in a bottle.
Woo.
I'm
I'm out.
my spoon. Can I put that? Oh, messed up.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go for that. Look at this face of just throwing
Are you kidding me?
How?
No, I'm feeling it right now in my
Does
throat.
he-
Oh, he's being a badass.
I'm being a man right now.
Oh man, come here.
No, that's good. I think
That's hot, huh?
2, 3 of these is good.
That's hotter than my monkey
Two or
sauce.
three.
Good luck.
So I like lentils in almost any dish I can put them in. So lentils, green lentils in the chili makes sense. Adds a lot more protein and fiber. And who doesn't need a little more fiber in their life?
There's a lot more beans and stuff than we did with our campfire chili.
Yeah.
It's totally different. It's going to be very interesting to compare the two.
Which one was chewiest?
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And stay tuned to the end of this video for a band from Auckland, New Zealand, Forsaken Age. Here's a clip.
Okay, so
Dig in.
we
See if we can conform you.
well, whether you conform us or not,
Yeah.
at the end of the day,
At the end of the day, it's all about taste.
It's food.
it's good. It's good.
It tastes good. Bread's fantastic.
Oh, sure.
Good. Cool meat.
So before we got started, Cynthia made us taste her husband's sauce.
The ghost pepper.
Ghost pepper sauce that he made. So Cynthia, if I could just have a little bit of this, we could just add a little bit of heat to this. I would really like it. This is fantastic.
For sure.
Really, really good.
Bread's fantastic. This chili
Very, very comforting.
for this time of year, and especially like there's no meat, nothing.
Yep.
It's. I mean, You're right. I don't miss the meat. It's good.
Oh, it's very tasty. Yes, I love it. Nick, you know what we should do? We should get together with Marchelo, her husband, and put a label on this. Metal chopping block hot sauce.
Oh, that's killer shit.
Or put some fancy name to it, like Screaming for Vengeance. I don't know.
For sure, because that's
a great name for hot sauce. Screaming for vengeance.
Yes, Judas Priest.
Right? This is fantastic, and I just want to try it.
Yeah,
Just to
how
see.
about it?
I know it'll cook better, obviously, if you were to cook. No, Nick, are you trying to kill me?
Nick. Oh my god.
A little bit more than that. Just a little bit. Okay, let's try it out. You know what? I'll add a little bit more if I want a little bit. I don't want to sweat, but I can
I
make
think
it
this is big.
Wow. So how long did you have it simmer? 3 hours?
About 3 hours, yeah. This is tender to make the vegetables tender. But you know what? Next day is, I think it's better, right?
It always is, because you get more of the flavors going.
Just stretch this out.
Holy shit. This is good.
I can do a little more. Oh, that's fantastic.
Oh, yeah, it hit you there.
It did hit me there. That's fantastic.
Just like
It's up very good.
I'm so
Great
glad
job.
you guys like it.
carnivores like us, honestly, Sam, your chili that you did was fantastic.
Well, this has got a nice flavor too, though.
It's totally different.
Totally different.
Another way of looking at it. Not one is better than the other. It's all friggin' good.
But if I can't win, I don't play.
Okay, don't worry. We'll give Cynthia the little
Best vegetarian chili cheese.
holy shit best one I've ever tasted like that.
I do have a
So you
meat.
know
I have a
what
meat
you know, right?
recipe.
And you're right what you say about the nuts in there. It actually feels like I'm eating like a ground beef or something.
I'm just not missing it. That's
No,
all I
like
feel.
it's not like one of those things you taste. Say, oh, you know, we should add this.
I don't even taste the nuts. I mean, it just tastes
It's just the
like
texture. Yeah.
yeah, it's just texture.
And this bread is so killer.
Yeah, fresh bread always.
Yeah.
Welcome back to Metal Chop. Oh fuck! I'm supposed to say welcome back.
That's my line.
Yeah, that's your line. Holy shit!
Guys, guy gets.
I'm taking over.
Takes over. I must want me in the trunk.
I see some nuts here. So why do we have some nuts?
Because Nikki, I heard you like to play with nuts.
This is gonna blow my mind.
Open.
Sempre duro.
Sempre bagnato.
Up the irons.
Okay, I'm gonna have that face.
Sempre bagnato.
Sempre bagnato.
Sì.
Always wet.
Sempre bagnato. I like that one.
Now for our special feature, Forsaken